Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved locations in Google Maps, history cleanup step by step clearly. Open Google Maps on your phone or on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. On mobile, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. On desktop, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap or click your data in Maps to open data and privacy options. Find the location history section and open it. If location history is off, turn it on only if you need to view and delete past entries. Tap or click Manage Location History to go to the timeline page. On mobile timeline, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner. On desktop timeline, click the gear icon for settings. Choose Delete All Location History to remove your entire Google Maps timeline history. Confirm the warning message by tapping Delete or Confirm. If you only want to remove a specific day, stay on timeline and select a date. Open the day's details and locate the delete option for the day. Confirm to delete that single day from your location history. To remove one specific place visit, open the day and scroll to the visit entry. Tap the trash icon next to that visit and confirm deletion. Now return to Google Maps main screen to remove saved places. Tap or click Save to view your saved lists. Open a list like Favorites, Want to Go, or Start Places. Find the location you want to remove from the list. Tap the saved icon or three dots next to the place and choose Remove from List. Repeat the same action for other lists if the place appears in multiple lists. Next, go back to your profile menu and open Settings. Open Personal Content to manage Google Maps activity options. Tap or click Maps History to view searches and places you interacted with. Use the Delete option to remove individual items or choose a date range to delete more. Optionally set Auto Delete to automatically clear history every 3, 18, or 36 months. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.